Welcome to this course on Introduction to the Python Programming and its Application. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Gate Arena. Today we will going to discuss about the one of the very important library in Python, which is Matplotlib. So without wasting the time, let's start with the Matplotlib. Today we are diving into the world of a data visualization with Matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of a powerful library in a Python that allow you to create various types of graph, charts, and plots. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, Matplotlib has got many things to be covered. With just writing a few lines of code, you can customize your graph to fit your specific need and make your data come into a real life experience. Hence, we can say that it is being widely used for the data visualization and it is particularly popular among data scientists, research, and the analysts to draw and create a beautiful graph with the help of a matplotlib.